So we started something. The thing.
We made a mess. We're one step closer to fixing our problems.
So we're finally working on the primary suite.
Woo!
Woo! Shit. Bit of an update. I haven't really been filming too much the last couple days because we've just been so intensely trying to get this done. It's taking forever. But we have all the insulation up, the electrical run, a lot of the sheetrock going up, subflooring in, of course, plumbing roughed out. Having a few issues with plumbing, but we're figuring out. It's coming along. Lighting's in. We're not working in the dark anymore. Stairs are working. Nice transition. Got this all framed in for the bed to be pushed back into. Biggest thing we're working on today is we're gonna get the subfloor in and the concrete board in for the shower basin, so we can start doing our flooring and then our tile and start getting into the actual details of all this. So today we've gotten pretty much all the painting done. We still have to do the cut-ins and stuff, and then also got the flooring done in the closet and stairs. Beadboard is painted gold. And of course, had to paint the fixtures. So to keep costs down, we tried to reuse as much as possible, including these wardrobes, which are actually just IKEA Billy shelves with cabinet fronts on them.
This is, I think, their third life in this house altogether. But one of the main ways that we had to get it to fit in here so it was flush up against the wall is we did have to cut out the bottom gap. So I think IKEA originally makes them with a little bit of a gap for small molding. We were using the 1x4 inch molding in this space, so we did have to kind of modify and adjust so they would sit flush up against the wall so that they could get secured properly.
We also use a shellac primer that's really good for adhering to IKEA's typical surfaces that allowed us to use paint to change the color so it would match the rest of the color scheme of the room. These cabinets came with the house originally when we bought it, and they were in what we had as the primary bedroom. We've moved them a couple times and repurposed them. Now that they're down here, you can see that they were black. At one point, we opaqued the glass so that you could hide the clothes, but that doesn't matter now because even that has been painted. We used that shellac primer on all of the surfaces, and that really helped the paint adhere. All the clothes have been moved in the closet. You feel good about this?
Yeah, I don't know how they all fit.
I don't know how they're going to fit.
They're the same. We actually have more cabinetry, so I don't. And finally, we were to the most satisfying part. We were able to get all the concrete board down and start our tiling.
And this lasted for what felt like months. This has been forever, but it's almost done. Last tile.
Last tile.
Woo! Yay! Congratulations.
I'm out of these clothes.
So the tile is now all grouted and sealed. It's time for hardware. Yep, 3 months of work coming to this. That's pretty damn cool. So with it all done, it has been incredibly rewarding. It has changed our morning routine. It has really given us a place that feels like solace and sort of like a spa at home.
It was a really long project, but like Jake said, it was very satisfying. It's really nice to feel like your decisions and little details along the way and all that planning and intricate detail that it takes to get you to this point finally pays off.
It was also our biggest project we've ever done at the house, including 3 rooms, technically 4 if you separate the closet and the bathroom, and just massive.
More impressively, we were able to get it done, all of it, in 3 months.
Just under.
Just under 3 months.
We do have a new problem though, and that is deciding which shower to use. Are we gonna use the nice new indoor shower or the nice outdoor shower?
So thanks for watching and following along.
If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and click that little bell icon to be notified each time we have a new video coming up. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram and TikTok where we post additional content. Also, check out our blog. It's at rodneyandjake.com with additional content.